Hey guys, this is Manu, Kalia, physical therapist, and I work with a herbalist. So today I'm going to show you guys a stretch, actually a mobilization technique to stretch out your quadricep muscles and more of the distal part of the quadricep. So which is more of the, we're going to try to get in this area through here. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a tennis ball. Now, I have two tennis balls and I have them taped lengthwise and sideways also to keep them together. But you can also use one tennis ball too. So this is kind of cool to mobilize it this way or stretch out that tissue, especially if things have gotten really restricted, bound up, there are adhesions that have formed, and quite often a lot of restriction here will prevent the person from bending their knee properly in this position. So this is just one other technique to get at that tissue more specifically. Right? So what we're going to do is I'm going to take this ball and basically it's going to be sitting just above, here's my kneecap, it's going to sit just above that point. Okay? So if you had one ball, it would be sitting just above here, and maybe your VMO or the inside of the quad is tighter, you get isolated to that side, or to the outside, your lateralis is a bit tight, you can place it on the other side too. But we're going to use two, we'll put it right on top through here. So I'm going to be laying on my stomach, and here's the ball, and here's my kneecap. I'm going to place it just above my kneecap. Now remember, it's not isolated just to this. You can of course use that all the way up the chain throughout the quad. Okay? So what I'm going to do first is just put a little pressure on that, and I'm going to get used to just rolling back and forth. It's like I'm doing massage. Right? A little bit of acupressure, pressure on the region, as well as doing massage. I'm going back and forth, and I can go even further up the chain, all the way up to here. Now let's say, since I'm targeting just above the kneecap, right? So that's that quadricep tendon where the quad starts to attach just above the patella or the kneecap. So now I'm going to put some pressure there, and I'm going to do a little bit of bending. So that really it stretches my quad as well as starts to mobilize it with that ball too. So I can do it actively too. I can do hamstring contraction, so I'm flexing my knee, contracting my hamstrings, as well as stretching my quads. So I can really get in there and put some pressure on, and you can control how much pressure you want to add to that, and that will really help stretch out that tissue, break some of those adhesions that have formed, and help you get that bending back. Okay? For a lot of you runners and others, athletes, if there are a lot of restrictions and there are adhesions that have formed, and that's limiting the proper movement of that patella, or you're just having difficulty bending that knee, I think this can help a lot. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to click on the link below, check out my site, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you.